Welcome back, YouTubers. Thank you for joining me. And today I'm working on a 2020 Toyota Camry. This is the 4-cylinder, the A25A FKS engine, 2.5 liter. The first thing you want to do is remove the air box. It's on the driver's side. This is the driver's side. You got a mass airflow sensor. Squeeze and pull. Remove the harness. Just pry here and pull up. One more, pry there. Move it to the side. You got these two clamps. One here, two there. The box should pick up. It should be loose already. You got this breather hose right here, the small one right there. You got this breather hose right there. Squeeze that clamp. Pick up. Then there's a big clamp right here. Just move this big clamp with your plier. Then the air box should just come out. It's already loose. That's it. You guys can see. Just remove that clamp. The air box should come out. You want to remove this air ducting pipe to the air box. It's just two 10mm bolts. Got one here. I have already loosened them. The other one here. And then just pick up, pull out. Just comes out like that. This part goes in here. Okay? I'm gonna set it to the side. You're gonna want to remove these harness. You got this one, squeeze and pull. You got this one, squeeze and pull. Then on the side here, you got a 10mm bolt. I've already loosened it. This is your ground, your chassis ground. Take that off. Remember, when you put it on, you got to put this back on. If you don't put it back on, your car will not start. You follow the harness. You got this coolant hose. Then this harness right here is held on by this 10mm bolt. Take that off. Show you guys something. Then behind the 10mm bolt is another bracket. This bracket holds this coolant line on. It's an 8mm, so you're gonna have to remove it. I've already loosened it. Here's a clamp right here. Use your plier, unclamp it, loosen it, to move this wire or hose out of the way. Then you got this harness right here to the EGR valve. Go ahead, squeeze, pull. Everything should just come out. And then you got the drive-by wire right here too. Right there. Squeeze and pull. Then this whole harness should come off. Then we're gonna keep on going down to the manifold. Then you're gonna have to move this EGR valve to the manifold crossover pipe. It's just 4 8mm bolts. You got this one, you got this one, and then under here, under there, right there, that one. Okay, be careful not to drop them. I have already loosened them. When you guys take this crossover pipe off, this transfer pipe, if you notice, I'll show you guys something. Pay attention to details, guys. The shorter, there's gonna be two sides of these two sizes, the shorter one and the longer one. The shorter one goes on this side, both of them, and then the longer ones, they go on the right side, the driver's side. Just be careful when you put them back. And then if you want to change the gasket, go ahead and change the gasket. That's your chance to do it now. Next you want to do is remove the EGR valve itself. This is the EGR itself and the cooler. This is the valve. So you're gonna have a 8mm up here. I've already loosened it. You got this clamp and this hose, this coolant clamp and hose. Go ahead and pull these off, just like that. Pull that one off. You're gonna lose coolant. Then there's a harness wire here. I've already taken it off. Squeeze and pull. And then right here on the side, you have 3 of these 12mm. One here, one here. These two are actually holding the valve itself onto the EGR. And then you got this bracket bolt. This is a 12mm. I've already loosened it, like I said. And then once you get that off, all these, you're gonna have a little 8mm right here. This long one. This is the long one. it's longer than all the other bolts. Make sure you don't lose this bolt. This holds the EGR valve onto the cylinder head. Then once you move all that, just take the EGR valve off. There's a gasket right here. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a little gasket. Don't lose that gasket. You might want to replace it. We have to unbolt this bracket. This bracket is held on to this manifold. So it's going to be 2 of these 8mm. 1, 2. Then down here on the block, I don't know if you guys can see, there's going to be that one right there, 12mm. I've already loosened it. This one, 12mm. Let me move the harness. That one. That one's a 12mm. I've already loosened it. As you guys can see, the bracket's already loose. Once you take those 3 bolts off, that 12, 8, and 8mm, this bracket should just come off, and then we'll go after the manifold. There's going to be 5 of these 12mm bolts holding the manifold in. It's going to be right here. I'll show you guys. 1 right there. 2 right there. The 3rd one is hidden in here, this hole right here. You guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's in here. The 3rd one right there. The 4th one right there. The 5th one, the last one right there. Go left, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Then the manifold should just come off. I got the manifold off the cylinder head. That's the cylinder head right there. You guys can see the ports. Before you can take out the intake manifold, there's going to be 2 of these coolant hoses to the throttle body right here, to the drive-by wire. So you just want to use a clamp right here. I mean a plier to undo the clamps for this one and this one. You will lose coolant, okay? You will lose coolant. I got the intake manifold off. This is the new gasket. I have already installed it. This is the old gasket, as you guys can see. It's all dirty and gunky. This is the part number from Toyota itself. No one had this gasket, so I had to go straight to Toyota. This is the part number, 17171-25010. And I have already installed it. It just goes in the grooves. The grooves like this. Just align it, push it in. Make sure it sits nice and flush. Then what I like to do is pre-lube it. And then put it back on the car. It's going to be held in with these 12mm bolts. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From the back side, when you put the intake manifold back on the car like this, the runner goes up like that. So the bolts go back here this way. 1, 2, 3 in here, the hidden one. 4, 5.